Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So first of all, just remember that today is a bank holiday for the U.S., Canada, and France. So especially during the New York session, it could possibly be very slow. But anyways, on the gold analysis daily, I still think this is either an A or one, and I think we're either in a wave B or wave two. Wave B, wave two should be a pullback to the first move down. I've been talking for at least a week now about the 61 to 50% Fibonacci retracement because that would take out this drop-based drop zone that we have right there. And you trade a wave B and a wave two exactly the same, which is potentially looking for longs on sort of time frames until you get a break to the downside at a Fibonacci level, which we definitely do not have yet. Going down to roughly the 1 hour time frame. Now, this market I think is trending up on roughly the 1 to 2 hour time frame. Our most recent structure, because of that, is way down here. Really, the most ideal thing to happen is that it kind of makes a pullback like this and then goes up and makes a new high. Then we can move our structure up to here. But like I was showing on the daily, this possibly could push up to the 61% and even beyond that. So we are definitely still looking for longs unless we get a significant break in structure to the downside, which a significant break would currently be down here. Unless it goes up and makes a new high, then we can move it up to here. But for now, definitely looking for longs and an uptrend at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.